Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize the website on Squarespace for electronics accessories business. Easy and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your website. So first of all, here you can get started from here, or if you wanna create your template or your store, your website. So here you can create your website. You can see templates, so let's go with this. So here you can make any templates yours with easy. So here you can change the type of your business or choose the type, for example online store. I'm gonna choose online store, memberships, or courses and services. So um, electronics store business is not here, so let's build our templates together. So here you can build your own templates. So here you can add your site name. Let's continue. Here you can build your home page, the intro section. You can choose here the intro section. You can choose the product section and the services section and about section, the social section, and the forms section, and the last is the footer section. So that's it. Now let's continue. So here you can add page to your site. Here you can choose the color. Select any color you want. So I'm gonna go with this, the color theme, and here you can choose the font. So let's finish this and let's move on. Now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can personalize your homepage text faster than ever. You can continue if you want, and you can skip. I'm gonna skip this. Let's continue. So this is your homepage website right now. You can edit it. So here the views, you can make it like a desktop view like this, or like a mobile view. So I'm gonna go to the site size. Here you can edit the site size. First here we have the fonts. You can switch the fonts back. Also you can change the headings, the paragraphs, and the buttons. You can reset the fonts back if you want from here. So let's move on to the colors. So here you can customize your themes, choose any theme you want. So I'm gonna go with this. Here you can edit the color theme of the site title and the navigation links, the site wide. Here you can also edit the site wide section, the color of the site wide here, the section background, the background overlay on the inset border, or the section divider stroke, and here the heading. You can edit the color of the heading, the paragraph, and the text highlights in the background color. So that's it. Now let's move on to the animations. So here you can set your animations here. So you can edit the style. You can set none or fade or scale or slide or clip or flex. Here you can edit the speed. You can make it slow or medium or fast. So let's get back to the spacing. So here you can edit the page width max and the size margin, and also you can reset size to default. So that's it. Now let's move on to the buttons. So also here you can edit the primary buttons, the text, and the shape and the outline. You can apply to all button types. You can reset button style. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image blocks. Here you can edit the text alignment. You can change the content width, the title separation. You can also change the button separation. So that's it. Now let's close this. Let's move on now to the, you can edit here your website here. so I'm gonna keep it just desktop view. So first here we have the site header. You can change here the site title and the logo. You can here change the site title. You can add your logo for from your library for electronics accessories business. Here you can add your mobile logo image. So that's it. Now let's move on to the elements. So here you can turn this on the button. You can change the text on the label, the button. You can also add the link. Here you can turn this on, the social links. You can edit the social links, and here you can edit the social icon size. You can change the border. Here you can turn this on. You can switch the language. You can turn this on the cart. You can change the style icon. Here you can change, you can edit the cart icon size. You can change the border, and also you can turn this on, show zero in cart. So that's it. You can edit the styles here, dynamic or theme or gradient or solid. You can turn this on, fixed position. So that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here, add section, and you can add whatever you want from here. So you can choose what kind of section you want to add on your home page. So that's it. Here you can edit the text. You can delete it or duplicate it from here. You can edit the text from here. You can edit the text form. So that's it. Here you can also edit the label. You can duplicate it or delete it from here. You can change this, and you can change the text on the label. So that's it. If you wanna save some section, just click here on this icon of the heart. You can move it down or move it up. Also you can duplicate it from here. You can remove it from here. So that's it. If you wanna add a text or image, just click here, add block, and you can add a video or audio or whatever you want to add. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So here let's delete this, and let's add an image from here. So now you can drag it and put it here. So now click here. You can select from your library or from free image. So electronics accessories. So for example, I'm gonna choose this just for example. You can choose whatever you want. So that's it. This is your image right now. You can duplicate it from here. You can delete it, and also you can edit it from here. So you can make it larger or smaller. So that's it. You can here edit the text. You can change it. Just click here, and you can change the paragraph and the heading. You can also change the label here. So if you're done from designing your website, and you're done from customize the price, and you can you're done from after you add the way to get paid and customize the price and the products, now you can just save this and publish your website and start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize and create a store or website on Squarespace for electronics accessories business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.